Welcome to my CryptoHero review video, where I'll take you through everything you need to know about this crypto trading bot. If you're looking for a tool that can automate your crypto trading, CryptoHero is one of the more popular options out there, and today, I'll be showing you my honest experience with it. CryptoHero positions itself as an accessible trading bot for both beginners and experienced traders. It promises to make crypto trading easier by automating strategies and executing trades for you. After spending some time using CryptoHero, I'll walk you through its key features and give you an in-depth analysis. When you first sign up for CryptoHero, you'll notice the clean and intuitive user interface. Setting up your account and linking your exchange is quick, and they support a wide range of exchanges, including Binance, KuCoin, and others. The process is straightforward, so even if you're a beginner, you shouldn't feel overwhelmed. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to various trading strategies. CryptoHero offers both simple preset strategies for beginners and more advanced options for experienced users. It allows you to choose different risk levels, set stop-loss limits, and customize other parameters to fit your preferences. There's also a paper trading feature, so you can test your strategies without risking real money, which is a great way to practice and get familiar with the platform. One of the standout features of CryptoHero is its ability to trade on autopilot. After setting your preferences, the bot will execute trades based on the market conditions and your strategy. You can monitor its performance in real time and adjust parameters if needed. The bot uses advanced algorithms, so it can make trades quickly and efficiently, capitalizing on market fluctuations that may be hard to spot manually. However, no tool is perfect, and CryptoHero does have a few downsides. For one, while it offers a variety of strategies, some users might find the options somewhat limited compared to other bots that offer more customization. Also, the bot's effectiveness heavily depends on market conditions. During periods of high volatility, like massive market drops or rallies, it may not always perform as expected, so it's important to keep an eye on your trades. Many useful links can be found in the description, where I'll provide more resources on CryptoHero, including links to tutorials, trading tips, and comparisons with other bots. If you're serious about crypto trading and want to give CryptoHero a try, these links will help you get started. Overall, I think CryptoHero is a solid choice for both beginners and experienced traders. It's user-friendly, offers a good set of features, and allows you to trade more efficiently than doing it manually. While it's not perfect, it's definitely worth checking out, especially if you're new to trading bots. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews and insights on crypto trading tools.